Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fourth numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the static indeterminacy of the given structure. Now we need to find the static indeterminacy of this given structure. We just name all the supports as A, B and C and the remaining joints as D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. Now, for the calculation of total static indeterminacy, the formula will be equals to sum of external static indeterminacy and internal static indeterminacy. Now, for the determination of external static indeterminacy, we know the formula, that is R minus S, where R is the number of external reaction or support reaction. Now, due to fixity at support A or due to fixed support at A, there will be three reactions, that is vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and movement. Okay. Now, due to hinge support at B and C, there will only be two reactions, that is vertical and horizontal, vertical and horizontal. Okay. Now, the total number of external reaction will be equals to 3 at A, 2 at B and 2 at C. So, the total sum will be equals to what? 7. Now, we know that in case of frame, the total equilibrium equation will always be equals to 3. So, the total external indeterminacy will be equals to 7 minus 3, which will be equals to 4. That will be the external static indeterminacy. Now, if we want to calculate here the total internal static indeterminacy, then its formula will be equals to 3C. Now, C is the number of cut required to open the loop. Here, to open the loop, 4 cuts will be required. So, the value of C will be equals to 4. So, the total internal static indeterminacy will be equals to 4 is 12. Okay. Now, the total static indeterminacy will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy, and its value will be equals to 16. That will be the total static indeterminacy of this frame. Okay. Now, if we want to use direct formula, then we can go for direct formula also, that is 3C minus RR, where C is the number of cuts required to obtain the cantilever structure. Now, here to obtain the cantilever structure, we need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cuts. So we just write the value of 6, or we just write the value of C as 6 in the direct formula. Now, what is the value of release reaction? It is the number of reaction required to convert any support into fixed support. Now, support A is already fixed. Now, we need to convert the support B and C into fixed support, for which the release reaction required will be 1 at each support, that is B and C. So, the total release reaction will be equals to 2. Now, if you just solve this, then the total static indeterminacy will be equals to 16. Now, the value of total static indeterminacy from both the formula will be same. Okay. Now, we had calculated the total static indeterminacy of this structure. Thank you very much, students.